I had been doing a lot of Western medicine approach. I had something going on with my hip. I knew I had osteoporosis and I had pain in my back and my hip. I had some displacement in the back. The hip joint was pretty worn away, and I haven't wanted to do that medication for osteoporosis. I did check out, I guess, three different surgeons, and they all thought it was, you know, time to get surgery. I was going to one chiropractor and tried this technique. Basically, you're causing little micro injuries in the tissue. I found that very frustrating because I was figuring out how to reduce inflammation. When I heard Dr. Isabella was doing this special class, I wondered whether it was for me. It really was. I really had pursued meditation in the past, but was having trouble with it lately. Just, well, 9 kids later, I was just losing my motivation. And then physically, I just didn't feel very comfortable in my body. I found Dr. Isabella very helpful in me wanting to be in my own body again. The approach just in terms of energy and potential healing. I would describe it to my friends and family in terms of working with the energy in your own body. It's an unusual thought for a lot of us in the religious tradition, but it makes perfect sense to me. Be in the body. Why shouldn't we want to celebrate and be comfortable in our bodies? The whole thing was different right from the beginning with the focus on the body. I did used to do some yoga breathing. It just had stopped serving me. There have been a couple of moments in the course of the 100 days where I realized I think I'm in my body, but I'm not. It just feels good, and it feels like it supports being happier, being in my body and being happier with my body. I take as an example my trip to Alabama, visiting with the kids. As I was walking around the airport, it felt pretty good just thinking about my breathing, and it helped to reduce the pain. I felt energized. I was very motivated to continue with my practice. I have this confidence that it's partly about energy, but it's partly about just seeing where the support is all around me. Like, you guys are a big support, but even, visiting the grandkids, there's so many things that just fit in with what I'm learning. Like, yeah, stay outside with the kids and, don't be afraid to kick the soccer ball around. I just felt energy, and yeah, it was great. I do have hope that things can continue to get better, but it's like things are good now. So yeah, it feels good now. We did talk a lot about just patterns from my past, seeing that connection and where my thought patterns come from. It's made me a lot more aware of how my mental attitude could be affecting me day to day, feeling more positive. I think I can look at my habits of negativity or discouragement or self-blame, just feel better, so it's not such a struggle. Noticing the connection, but it's not this huge struggle to change it. Yeah, I just appreciated everything about it. I love the question sessions. I always could see, similar things in my own life that I was getting help with in the moment. Everybody feels good that's doing it because we're in our bodies. We've all been through this training, and I don't have another group like you all, so I will love to do this for forever.